Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to audio. Here under volume, you can change the master volume, or the overall volume, music volume, effects volume, and you can toggle the Tinnitus filter. You can set it to 25, 50, 75 or 100%. I will leave it turned off. And those are all volume settings. Once you made your choice, you can hit apply and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.